Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to check if your Poco X3 Pro is original or fake. Now to do that, I have a few codes to check if our Poco phone is original or fake. Now as you can see, these are the codes to check if our Poco phone is original or fake. Now if all these codes work on your smartphone, then your Poco phone is original. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and open the dialer app on your smartphone. Now just dial *#* 64663 #*#. Now from here you can test the hardware of your smartphone. Now for example, you can test the touch panel of your smartphone. And also from here you can test the other hardware of your smartphone. And if you tap on software version, you can find the IMEI numbers of your smartphone. Now from here, just compare the IMEI numbers on the screen to the IMEI numbers on your smartphone's box and make sure they are both the same. And once you do that, just go to your home screen and open the web browser app on your smartphone. Now just search Mi Global. Now just open the Xiaomi Global website. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Customer Support. Now as you can see, there are many countries supported. Just scroll down and select your country. Now from here, as you can see, there are many ways to connect with Xiaomi's customer service. You can connect with Xiaomi's customer service through the chat support, or you can connect with Xiaomi's customer service through the email support, or you can connect with them through the phone number. Now just select the chat support. If the chat support is not available in your country, just select the email support. And if the email support is also not available in your country, just select the phone number. From here, just scroll down and tap on live chat. From here, just tap on yes. Now just enter your email address and tap on submit. Now from here, just type warranty status. Now just wait for a few seconds for the Xiaomi's customer service to reply. Now as you can see, they have replied, "Dear customer, welcome to Xiaomi's customer service." Now as you can see, they are asking us to share our IMEI number. Now to do that, just go to your home screen and open the dialer app on your smartphone. Now just dial *#06#. From here, just tap and hold on the IMEI number on the screen and tap on the three dots over here. Now just tap on copy. From here, just go back to the web browser app and paste the copied IMEI number over here. Now just wait for a few seconds for the Xiaomi's customer service to reply. Now as you can see, they have replied, "Dear customer, just wait for a few moments for them to check our device's details." Now as you can see, they have replied. Now as you can see, this is the IMEI number of our smartphone, and below the IMEI number you can find the model of your smartphone. Now as you can see, I am currently using the Poco C75 to record this video. Now just make sure that the details given of your smartphone is identical to your smartphone. Now from here, just check the warranty start date of your smartphone and also check the warranty end date of your smartphone. And also from here, just check the activation date of your smartphone. And this is how you can check if your Poco X3 Pro is original or fake. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.